Hello friends, let's start. Our today's topic is basically probability. In this class, we'll learn about how we probability used in a Python. So first of all, we define probability. Then we done some question about a probability in Python. So you have a strong knowledge about that. So basically, first of all, meaning of probability. Probability means is the measurement of the occurrence of a particular event. If I give an example, like if I toss a coin, so there is total number of outcome two, head and tail, and from that two, only one will come, like head and tail. So here is the mention. I mentioned also formula here. Number of outcome, favorable outcome, divided by number of total possible outcome. So if I toss a coin, so there is head comes probability is 1 out of 2. So is that formula? So it's a basic formula. You also know about that. So let's done some question in a Python. So it's our first question basically. What is the probability of customer purchasing a computer with at least 8 GB RAM, computer screen size 14 inches, and a processor speed exceeding 33? So basically, company want to know about that customer when he sell any product like its computer. So it's know about the probability how many customer have like at least 8 GB RAM, 14 inches, and processor speed. So company want to know. So now we find out with the help of that. So now firstly we write our pandas library for import file. Now we made a variables here. Then pd.read CSV for reading a CSV file. Now we mention a link where our file is available. If you need that file, I will share it my GitHub. You can access with from that. So it's basically the data. As you can see here, 6,000 something rows are available and 12 columns are available. But in the data, what we are our need is basically RAM, computer screen, and processor. So as you can see, speed, processor speed here, RAM here, and computer screen here. So firstly we filter out the data who have that features. So for filtering, I use that like data. So our first column is like speed. So what we need here, so here as you mentioned, as you can see here, our speed is computer speed is exceeding 33, means more than 33. So we need some processor speed more than 33. So it's our first condition. Then our second condition is basically RAM size at least 8 GB, means at least 8 GB. We can take a RAM size more than 8 GB also. So here is our RAM. Okay, so at least 8 GB means greater than equal to 8 GB. So it's our second condition, and we go on our third condition is basically skin size 14 inches. So here is our skin size. Now I put that command in a particular variable like d suppose, and after that I call that. So as you can see, there is only 1500 something rows and columns are available. So it's a filtered data which computer have a like speed more than 33, and RAM time is greater than equal to 8, and screen time equal to 14. Oh, I forget to mention that. Yeah, now is it correct? So we need to find a probability here. So basically we need to find a probability. So probability is basically length of that, means what we need first, as you can see in the formula, number of favorable outcomes. So there is 1003, so it's a number of favorable outcomes count. And second, we number of all total possible outcomes. So total how many data are available? 6259. So on the basis of that we find a probability. So I use a length function here, length of d divided by length of all data, and I print its probability. So it's 16%. I convert into a percentage. So as you can see here, it's a 16% chance computer have all these three possibility, like speed exceeds 33, RAM size at least 8, screen size equal to 14. So there is a 16% chance from 100. So we can say it's a very less chance to come all three features if customer purchase any computer from our store. Understand? So it's our first question. Now we go with our second question. So it's basically our second question. What is the probability of selling a premium computer? We need to find a probability of selling a premium computer from all data set. So let's done that question. So as you can see here, this is our premium column. So we need only yes, no need any no column. So firstly I found premium computer from my all data set. So I use again filter from my all data set. We need a premium computer is equal to yes. So it's basically extract only premium computer from my all data set. As you can see here, there is yes and no. We need only yes, means premium computer. So if I extract here, so as you can see, from 6,000 something rows, we get only 5647 rows. So on the basis of that, we can find premium computers probability. So same technique I use again here. Length of my premium computer divide by length of my original data. Sorry, original data is here. Okay. So as you can see here, 90% chance of getting a premium computer. If any customer buy a computer, so it's get a 90% chance. It's a very high chance because it's near 200. So we can say that it's a very high chance to customer get a premium computer from my all computers. So it's basically a second question. Third question is basically give that a computer is premium. What is the probability that has a CD player? So basically we extract like here our premium computers, as you can see 5647. So from this premium computer, how many probability of getting a CD player? So as you can see here, I have a CD player column also. So here is also a like yes and no nominal categorical column, as you can see that. So on the basis of that we can answer our third question also. So it's our task 3. So again we need to filter out from a premium computer. We don't need a all data set, we need only our premium computer getting only CD. Like here, where is it? Here our premium computer data, and in a premium computer we need CD player is equal to yes. So as you can see here, there is 2000 something rows are come who from premium computer and have also CD player, and on the basis of that we find a probability of CD player. Same technique I again use here also. Length of CD divide by length of, here we don't need our all data, we need only our premium data set, as it mentioned on a question also. So as you can say, there is a 50% chance of getting a CD player from my premium computer set. So it's our third question I completed. So on the basis of that, we complete our probability section. Now in my next class, I will tell about joint probability. That's it. Thank you.